So for an example of FIB-SEM using the NX5000, what you're going to see is a root tip and looking at plant cells for a biological example. And so in this case, we're going to really highlight the major three capabilities when you're doing FIB-SEM and want to analyze that data. So this is a FIB-SEM, so we have those planes, that serial block place, as you can see as we're going through this in calibrate, but this shows also the moving making capability and having the different views so you can look inside your material with these different clipping planes. And then being able to segment and identify, in this case, the cells in the plant root tip, and then doing that analysis. But it really gives you the power to look deep inside your sample by using FIB-SEM and seeing those structures. And there's a number of examples. We're looking at a NAND memory block, being able to look deep inside that material, into that device, and seeing how things are spatially aligned, and or if you're looking for defects, quality assurance. But again, this just shows and highlights being able to take that stack, generate your 3D rendered volume, do your analysis, and then make a movie for, again, presentations, whatever you need that movie for, but to demonstrate that particular experiment.